This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include traction control and stability control systems, a power driver's seat, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Dave Sinclair Ford is located at 7466 Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.